Now, for those of you that they come back and say, do you know what Sophia have achieved? Do you know what she has achieved? My people, she has achieved everything we know. Only one thing she never achieved. Tell her to leave Chioma and Davido alone. If she leave Cho and Davido alone, they will go no say yes. She has finally arrived. But if she still they drag them like I better pass my neighbor generator, oh boy, yeah, she has not achieved anything. My country people, wahala dey within Sophia, Chioma, and Davido. And you know the funny thing? Not be Davido and Chioma they pursue am more. Now there people for they get it all wrong. Now Sophia herself, now she dey pursue Chioma and Davido. Kitty kata, kitty kata, kitty. Now she dey do your mass, let's go. Now she dey engineer the run. Come. Sit down for where people they testify against Chioma and Davido's love. If you are not getting it very well, I will tell you something. Since when Davido married Chioma, he gained my respect. He decided to settle down as a married man. All this chom and chin where they talk about him. Now because he never get married. Now we be say Davido don't marry. He go tell all of Nata, shut up your mouth, enter house, don't talk. And that is exactly what he's doing right now. So because of being a married man, the koro and pion, when una baby mama want make it see him, he not call the see him there. Now they bring this cast boss. Some of you never understand that. Before I go enter inside this story, I greet and I salute all of you according to your time and location. If you are joining us for the first time, please quickly hit a smash button which says subscribe. You are welcome to our YouTube, our Facebook, and our TikTok. If you don't subscribe already, I say thank you. Not forget, share our video. Put on your notification bell so that anytime when I put any program, you go there among the very first we go see. Follow me to share my video. Also, they like our video. There's love in sharing. Thumbs up our video, guys. If you don't know, you better know now. If you don't know it. There is basketballs for where Sophia and Davido dey. Today, make I give una the song where Davido play for Chioma. You self go tire. And make I first give una the one when he give Sophia. The one when he play give Sophia. I go give una that one. Then go feel it. Then go feel am. She go feel am. Nah, baby mama Sophia. Now they give woto so. You go feel am and you go hear am. I am not a married man. Please, chicken, leave me alone. Now, there's something I want make una understand. Una when he join her the dragon today, tell her to move on. You people are not doing her any good. And they tell her before, now no 1 year. Upon everything where they give the daughter Imade, this woman, he refused to rest. My people, there's wahala. There's basbos. There's kasala everywhere. I'm a good mama. I am the best mama. Now me go pass. Now me be the best. I'm telling you, if not be me, nobody else. Una can't say na joke. As we talk, Una not great accept am. Not be woto woto. Woto woto na go hear am. Wahala. There's problem. If Sophia continue like this, guys, is going to have a big problem in life, in future. I'm not a joke. I am serious. If she continue like this, guys, you not go believe what did happen. Who not go now lose? My people, wahala dey o. He said he has a new evidence and proof. He want to expose Davido. My people, he said all the doings, all the lies, everything we don't tell about Chioma, that he want to release it now. I can't laugh. I say, she's still pain. She want this woman so bad. But the man, he don't want them. Now, you get what I want to tell now. This one will shock you. Do you know that Sophia WhatsApp message to Melissa in London, it don't come out? I am telling you guys. Even me when I hear them, I shock. It don't come out. Where she dey beg down and make they collabo and work together to fire Chioma and Davido woto. Now, Mama Kemi, as he hears Sophia said didn't get secret and evidence, he want to expose Davido. Kukuma and I know say she not like Davido. Right from time, he say Davido insult him. But now if I talk something against Davido, before Davido can't talk something we no good. I remember when Davido can't talk, say, she said something very harsh to Davido. I don't think Davido and the papa do am. Because Davido mama with Dr. Kemi, they be best friend. When I mean bestie, they be bestie. As Kemi they born, now so Davido mama they born Davido. They stay for the same labor with their friends. Like that friends. So let's say Davido mama buy early. So Dr. Kemi really know things about them. So you get some things where Dr. Kemi talk about Davido. I say you don't get respect and all that. So Davido can't throw word, give and say that because you don't see Kelewa, make you go find man, we go Kelewa. If you get man, we go to Kelewa. Say if body go come down, he go quiet. So since that day, Kemi don't like that word way Davido tell him. But people they beg him every day, say make him leave him. Davido alone, make him move on, make him forget the whole matter, which she said that she has already forgiven Davido. He don't get any grudges against Davido anymore. Saying don't forget her, he don't forget her and forget, he don't forget everything, he don't get anything at all. He don't get any grudges, he don't get anything against him that he has forgiven Davido. Now, when Dr. Kemi win the verse for Davido, can't hear this Sophia own. Now he come out for test Sophia, say Sophia, I say, Zukwanike. Sophia arrest. We don't want to hear your evidence, proof, and secret again. When you are the video talk or not do, it don't do. Enough is enough. Ozugo. My people. If you think say the matter don't they finish, it never finish. Now me at the years they say the video reply and say I beg. Anything we know say get against and make Kukuma release and once and for all. Because make she stop to bring the thing one by one. As you say, you want to expose me for the whole world to not like me. I beg, do am. Make everybody for know the thing when I do. So poor reaction nice. Sophia talk am. That thing where she do, true. Talk am. That thing where she talk, true. They say make it talk, I don't do. Because you don't take away this woman want to talk am. And she say they are not allowing her to say it. So me, I couldn't use the opportunity to beg her and say, you don't do talk. Because they don't hold you too much for long, I understand. The thing they your belly. You want to talk. You want to release the information. That's okay. Make she just go ahead and talk, my people, abi. So that all of us go know the secret. So I'm going to know how to judge the matter. And everybody will now rest in Jesus' name. My people, now the cocoa when it day for ground, that. But why some people, they make us understand, say, come. That is not the issue. Yeah. The issue here, she feel abandoned by Davido. Davido don't longer give her face anymore. Number one. The kind of money where she dey get for Davido before, she know they get them. Number two. The attention and love where in they get if they work out with Davido before. You know they see him. Before, if you enter club, they follow Davido, they're going to open up for him. If she go alone, you are your own. No? So there is no more Davido there. So now those ones they pay them. If you think say you get one thing where Sophia won't come tell you, say chioma do one. Because he don't talk him already. Say chioma is not a good mother. Say now she now be good mother. She's the one that's supposed to marry Davido, not chioma. Say now she be the business woman and now she know how to stand out in the middle of her miss or her mate. She's an alpha and omega. She's nothing mega, nothing do you. Say now she be. So now see all the whole matter they go. So the matter not be here. Oh. The basketballs never finish. If you think say it don't finish, you are lying. No. We are just starting and we're just enter inside the matter. So ladies and gentlemen, the thing where people they talk say now they worry and I be this. And the secret make we just break them down. He said Davido, see the head dirham, see they give him, you see they beg him for kwekus. He want to kill her. Say the guy sent a message allegedly. So he want to expose her that since when the guy married, he never let her rest. Now people, that one strong go. So people not believe her. They say they take her the spice chioma. He won't break up their marriage. Nobody they kill anybody. Nobody they thought say one person we could suit past one person. They say that she they form everything. And most of the fans say they won't give her the best mother, the best single mother in the wide whole world. That the award should go to Sophia. Muna give her, she deserve her. That pikin get bad mouth, but I don't blame her. Now mama Mati carry. You know that she said she stand out. So now so she want her pikin to stand out by giving people woto. For those of you now they push and go baby, go get. Now, go baby, go get so. Go now they push and so. Not be by teaching or not be by teaching your pikin how to be rude though. Be stand out. Oh. Try to teach your pikin manner too. Because when you there around the papa, the way they talk to the papa workers, oh boy, yeah, I'm at now is a blade though. So standing out, you go teach your pikin, not be bad mouth standing out. Manner is very, very important in children's life where you are bringing them up. Manner. Learn how to be mannered. So, Davido, if not true, see you see the chat and the beg for quick I don't me, I don't know. But if not true, stop. Your wife own is enough. Yesterday your wife give you surprise with your cousin. Say they surprise you. What you not do again when they give you surprise party. You know expect and your wife organize that for you. Your wife not good woman, no. And your wife loves you a lot. So if you should think twice or you won't go chuku, there's no need. Behave yourself as you don't behave yourself already. Leave Sophia with the gag, made the bag. Wah. They don't let person hear what. Focus with your music career and your marriage. Now one born follow picking, which are the year room or say, but like say don't enter. They could have born follow picking. And all your baby mamas, they support them as usual. I hear say the one we did London, tell Sophia say, I not go join you do woto. I not go drag Davido. They say that one give her to them. Fiam, straight down. No carry me join your woto. I not go join. I not go follow you do woto. So don't count me in. They say I'm waiting until I be that. So make una follow me, share this video, love and like it. And I'll definitely see you guys on my next video. Thank you very much and God bless all of you. Bye guys.